Understanding Special Thanks To, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and heartfelt phrase you might encounter in various contexts. Special thanks to. It's a phrase that carries gratitude and appreciation, and understanding how to use it properly can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and decode the nuances of this meaningful expression. Special thanks to is a phrase used to express deep gratitude or acknowledgement towards someone who has provided significant help or support. The word special emphasizes that the thanks given are not just routine or casual. They are profound and sincere. This phrase is often used in formal settings like award ceremonies, the acknowledgement section of books, or even in everyday life when someone wants to highlight the importance of the help they received. You might encounter or use special thanks to in various scenarios. 1. Events and ceremonies, during speeches or presentations, to thank sponsors, organizers, or contributors. 2. Professional contexts, in business or academic settings, like at the end of a presentation in a published work, to acknowledge the contributions of colleagues, mentors, or institutions. 3. Personal use, in personal letters or messages, to express gratitude towards friends or family members for their exceptional support or assistance. Remember, the context in which you use this phrase should align with the level of gratitude you wish to express. If you're on the receiving end of special thanks to, it's important to respond gracefully. Here are some appropriate responses. 1. Simple acknowledgement. A smile and a nod can often suffice in formal settings. 2. Verbal response. Phrases like, "It was my pleasure," "Glad I could help," or "Thank you, I'm honored to have been a part of it," are polite and show that you appreciate the recognition. 3. In written form. If the thanks come in written form, such as in a book's acknowledgement section, a personal message or email acknowledging the thanks can be a thoughtful gesture. Special thanks to is more than just a phrase. It's a heartfelt expression of gratitude and recognition. Whether you're using it to acknowledge someone's significant contributions or responding to being thanked, handling it with sincerity and understanding its context is key. We hope this video helps you grasp the essence of this beautiful expression. Thank you for watching, and remember, a little thanks goes a long way in making relationships special.